you define investing? Well, I define better investing as making more money but consistently. The more consistently you see profits from your investments, regardless of the market conditions, the better your process has become. Well, better investing implies that you have already started to see results of your investing process and you want to improve. You cannot get better until you have started, and you'll need a solid starting point to measure your gains. And by solid starting point, I mean a repeatable decision making process. You did start off with a process, right? If not, no worries. You don't have to spend the next 10 years developing one from the scratch. Hey guys, this is Prarthana from Cleartax, and this video is all set to amp up your investment game. And so without further ado, let's get started. Once you are using a process consistently, whether it is the process that is shown on the screen right now or it is your own process, you are ready to move towards better investing. The 3 simple steps to better investing that will evaluate the results of your process and will help you make more money are capital preservation, which means don't lose the money you have, consistent returns, which means you have to create profits consistently using the money you have, and lastly, superior profit, wherein you can create profit from your profits. That's it. Apply these 3 steps and I'm sure that you will have better investing performance. And yes, it is really that simple. The hard part though is sticking to it. Whatever path you choose, reaching that third point is what is important. It is the step that creates compound returns in your trading and investment accounts. How you go about creating compound investments and returns is up to you. Note that I didn't say you should go after high risk investments. This is because risk is determined by your position size and not by the investment that you choose. What is your mantra for better investments? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Cleartax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. Stay tuned and take care.